Good morning, everyone, and it is Tuesday, January 15th, and let's take a look at CoinMarketCap and Bitcoin. CoinMarketCap right now stands at a little bit above $122 billion with $16.7 billion in the past 24 hour for volume. Looking at the top 10, you can see here where we're losing the grip of yesterday's move to the upside. Some of these coins are starting to fall into the negative, and Bitcoin sits right at 0.32% in the positive, but is slowly starting to lose grip with those gains. Looking at the top three coins for 24-hour volume, we're looking at the best performer so far in the past 24 hours is Chainlink. And then second is at 17.43% rep, and then Wax at 12.33%. Let's move into Bitcoin. Bitcoin does not look very good right now. So we had the move to the upside. We had the rejection at the 200 EMA. We tried it again. We had a rejection again at the 200 EMA. We've been slowly losing momentum. You can see here the indicator, the MACD is really showing that we're losing that momentum in the market. The RSI is pointing down. Currently, the RSI is pointing neutral, but the momentum of the RSI, you can see here where it's just going on a downward trend. Right now, we are having a bearish crossover is about to happen with the 9 and the 100 EMA. If that happens, that will push the price action further down, probably to the 50 EMA. If that doesn't hold, then 100 EMA, and possibly come back down to this BART pattern that is very famously known as these patterns here, Bart Simpson's hairline. But hopefully that won't happen. But as of now, it does not look good. The support has been lost of the 9 EMA, which is a very, very important support to try to maintain. We've been unsuccessful, and not only that, but we're also having these bearish crossovers with the higher time frames EMA. So you're going to have to look out for that. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we broke through the prior resistance, and that prior resistance became support. So yesterday on the 4-hour time frame, it was looking good. Unfortunately, in the past 8 hours, we lost that prior support prior resistance, new support, and now we're even losing the 9 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. So again, it does not look very good for Bitcoin at the moment. The MACD is starting to turn here neutral, which will slowly start turning this back into bearish if we don't get enough positive volume in the market. It'll bring it back down. Looking at the 12-hour time frame, this is what I was hoping would not happen. So we broke out of this wedge, and then this wedge now became the support of this wedge now became resistance. And we were not able to break through it. Even though we had this nice move to the upside, we briefly broke it, but the bears came, closed, brought the candle below that support line of the wedge, and was rejected again on the opening on the next candle. It was rejected, and now we're heading downward. So this is not a good area to be. More than likely, we're going to come down, and here are some areas. These green dotted lines are some areas of prior support and resistance that I would be looking at for the price action to come down and rest. Here is another one. Looking at these here that was made on this move here, we can see here where we found support here, 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 and as well as support here and resistance in this area here. So at least we do have some really nice close support areas to look for. Hopefully that'll be enough to catch the price action for a move to the upside, but be prepared. It is a Tuesdays. Tuesdays are usually pretty bloody, so just be prepared for anything. Looking at Ethereum, Ethereum did the same move where we broke above prior resistance. It then acted as new support. Then we lost that, and now we are currently under our new support, old resistance line. We are below the 9 EMA, and if it continues, we're going to have again a bearish crossover like we're going to have with Bitcoin if it doesn't turn around with the 9 and the 100 EMA, bringing the price action further down. All right, guys, for those in my Discord group, we will have an update on all the altcoins at 1 o'clock Central Mountain Time, which is in about 4 hours or so. It's 9 o'clock here, so at 1 p.m. here. We will have that, so in 4 hours. And also, we will talk about Bitcoin. We'll take questions and answers from the community. I will take live requests as well. So have your coins ready for me, and we'll go over those on our 1 o'clock live Zoom session. Thank you, guys, and have a good day.